Welcome back to another PC build. It's only been like 3 years. But anyway, recently the computer's been showing its age, overheating. Even before then it was struggling to edit large video files. So I thought it's time for an upgrade. And we're upgrading to an AMD Ryzen, because this was an AMD PC, so I'm going to keep it AMD and make it to a red and black theme because I'm totally original on this channel. We're going for the AMD Ryzen 1700X. You're probably wondering, well, didn't like the 2800X, the second generation of Ryzen CPUs come out like a couple of days ago or a week ago? And yeah, they did. But unfortunately, I brought a motherboard because it was low in stock and I've been looking at it for a while. And it doesn't, well, you can use the Ryzen Generation 2 on it, but it just won't get its full performance out of it. So I thought, I'll save a few bucks and just go for Gen 1. Because, you know, Gen 1. We got the Ryzen 1700X. We're going to use the stock cooler on this because, because I want to. And basically this is not the full upgrade. I've only gotten the CPU, the motherboard and the RAM. And the motherboard we're going for is the ROG Strix B350F gaming motherboard from Republic of Gamers. Like I said, I'm going full AMD on this. So originally I had an NVIDIA GTX 970. That will be replaced. Not right now because of you know, those guys. So we got that, and also we have some G-Skills Trident C RGB lighting. Even though this is going to be a red and black build, you know, red light. You're gonna be red. You're gonna be red. Oh, actually, you're gonna be multicolored, aren't you? But you know, we got some of these. I'm gonna get some more later on. Like I said, I'm just got some of the parts now. Some of the parts later, also some cosmetic stuff. You know, can't go wrong with some RGB lighting. I'm like 7 years behind this trend, but you know what? Lighting. Yay. So we got the ROG Strix B350F gaming board. We've got the gaming board? Motherboard. We got the motherboard here. I'll take that off to one side. And we got some SATA cables. Some more SATA cables. Some more cables. Some screws. Or a screw. Alligator ties. Cable management, always good. Back plate, really like the black plates. Didn't like the old ones. I never really liked the old. It's all silver, metallic-y feeling. I think these look a lot nicer. And also probably an out-of-date driver. And some manuals and stuff. Manuals. Close up. Taking a look at the motherboard. Get you out of the packaging. Look at that. You've got your USB 3.0s, DisplayPort, HDMI, USB 3.1s, 2.0s, Ethernet 3.0s, and your audio headphone mic stuff, as well as the gamer aesthetic of the motherboard. I mean, just chuck the word gamer on it and you're pretty much done. Oh, yeah, pretty much. Just stick the word gamer on it, and I will probably buy it 3 years later. Let's take a look at the CPU. I've realised I don't actually have a knife. Ah! Why don't I have a knife? Really have to have a knife set. Can I get a knife? Yeah, there we go. Just ignore everything in the background. Ignore it all. Like I said before, this is the 1700X AMD. What's it? How many cores? Eight cores. 3.8 gigahertz. Base clock. You can put a 3.8 gigahertz precision boost. Yeah, some other stuff I probably should know about, but I don't. And I'm going to need a cooler, because apparently this one doesn't come with a cooler. No heatsink fan included. Boom. No wonder this was so cheap. We'll do this all. Damn it. Okay. Sorry about that. So basically, here we go. This one doesn't come with the heatsink, so gonna have to go pick up a heatsink. We've got the Ryzen CPU 7 CPU here and a sticker. A giant box just for the CPU. Also have all this other stuff laying out, and we have the phone going off. Trident C memory. Eight gig sticks, two of them, 16 gigs, 2.4 hertz. Excellent. I guess we'll just have to wait for a heatsink, which I should read the description, guys. Read descriptions when you buy stuff. Just gonna start doing the lighting and some cable management. Well, I'm at post, so that's good. Okay, we're good. So, welcome back, everybody. PC is now, part one of the upgrade is now done. It's now waiting on the graphics cards and the rest of the RAM, as well as sorting out the RGB for the Corsair kit, since it's doing what it wants to do. But anyway, computer's running fine now, not having too many issues. So part one of the PC upgrade is complete. Next thing we're going to do is sort out the desk area, upgrade that. We've already got, well, I'm using an arcade desk at the moment. It's what I'm going to use, but I'm going to get some other stuff for it, add it on, sort everything out. So that'll be the next part, so stay tuned for that. But for now, the PC is Coke's gonna explode. Now the PC is done for now.